Welcome back to Epic Stomach. Today we are diving into one of the most overlooked yet powerful component that makes your bike tick, the Capacitor Discharge Ignition System or the CDI. And before we break it down, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss a spark of knowledge at Epic Stomach. So what exactly is a CDI ignition system? In simple terms, it's an electronic ignition system that uses a capacitor to store and release high energy voltage to a spark plug. Unlike traditional systems that rely heavily on mechanical parts or coils drawing from the battery directly, CDI is all about speed, power, and precision. This is why it is found everything from commuter motorcycles to dirt bikes and race machines. Let's now trace its journey. First, your battery or the stator feeds low voltage AC or DC power to the CDI unit. Inside the CDI unit, this current charges a high speed capacitor. As your engine rotates, a trigger signal from the pickup coil tells the CDI it's a go time. Instantly, the capacitor discharges through the ignition coil, creating a massive voltage surge of often around 20,000 to 40,000 volts. This gets delivered straight into the spark plug, igniting your air fuel mixture with deadly precision. The entire cycle, this happens in milliseconds. We do have two types of major CDI units. One is a AC CDI, which draws power directly from the alternator, widely used in entry-level motorcycles. And there's also a DC CDI, which uses battery power for more stable ignition and is better suited for advanced timing and tuning. Some high-end bikes even integrate combining ignition mapping with the throttle and sensor data for even smarter spark control. So why does the CDI matter to riders like you and me? Because at high RPMs where the other ignition system may misfire or fade, CDI holds strong. It provides faster voltage buildup, cleaner spark at all the revs, better throttle response and less mechanical wear. And for performance machines, a robust ignition system like the CDI ensures consistent power delivery whether you are on asphalt or in the dirt. And here is the thing. A weak spark means incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion means power loss, carbon buildup, and poor fuel economy. CDI avoids all of that. It's compact, reliable, and the kind of tech that just works race after race, ride after ride. You will find it hidden inside your fairings, but it's doing some heavy lifting out there. And in this video, if you learned something new, just give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow riders. Drop a comment if you want us to tear down on actual CDI unit or test one in real time. This is Epic Stomach where mechanic meets madness, ride smart, run smarter. See you in the next one.